Tell them to bring me my money.
This video is not financial advice, only a source of good information.
And the good information today, we're going to talk about a trading strategy known as the iron butterfly for stocks that trade sideways. And we're going to have examples inside of the Webull, Robinhood, and the TD Ameritrade platforms. Links for Weeble and Robinhood free stocks will be down low in the description. And on your way down there, you can like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Helps out the YouTube algorithm. Let's go. All right. First off, before we get into any video, I need to stress this. In order for you to be an effective trader, you're going to have to read these books. Links for these books will be down low in the description. Again, to increase your library, go down low and purchase some books. Helps you out, helps me out, makes you a better trader. Let's get back to the video. Anyway, HYG. This is a corporate bond ETF. And we're going to run this strategy known as the iron butterfly. What is an iron butterfly? Well, an iron butterfly is a trade created with 4 options consisting of 2 call options and 2 put options. These calls and puts are spread out over 3 strike prices with all the same expiration date. The goal is to profit from conditions where the price remains fairly stable and the options demonstrate declining implied volatility. That's pretty much it. Now, in case you think that we're going too fast, simply rewind and look at what I'm doing. I'm setting up 4 separate contracts. 4 separate contracts. Okay? Now what I'm doing by setting up these 4 separate contracts, I'm establishing a parameter where I'm saying, okay, this security is going to stay within a certain range. If it does stay within a certain range, then I look to profit at the end of the week or the end of the month, whatever I decide to choose. I chose this HYG corporate bond because it's a pretty stable and flat security. If you look at some of the contracts that I have, you have a total credit of $171. That is at the end of the week. And the only reason why it is so much is because I have moved the strike prices. I've increased the distance between the strike prices. When we jump into the Webull and the TD Ameritrade platforms, you'll see where the strike prices are much closer. Now this is an old contract I had up about 2 weeks ago. I did make, I actually closed out the contract for about $100. Now we are inside of the Webull platform. And now I'm going to show you how Webull sets it up. A little bit different. You don't actually choose the separate contracts. They're already set up for you. Now, if you notice, Iron Butterfly is already selected. In Robinhood, you have to actually choose what particular strategy that you're actually going to use. Here, it's already pre-made for you. That's why I say that Robinhood is good as a beginner platform. It actually teaches you all the different strategies. Now we're choosing the strike prices. Long Iron Butterfly. Those are the strike prices that I actually chose. And this gives you a really, really good example. It's showing you specifically the parameters that security needs to stay within. Now you notice, since I did not make my own strike prices up, these were already predetermined. And by it being predetermined, I am eligible to receive a different amount, $44, because the strike prices are somewhat closer than what I chose in Robinhood. If you need to rewind the video, please do so. You'll see where I increased the distance in the strike prices. On Webull, it's already predetermined. Now you can change it simply by selecting the Width tab, but I chose not to do that. I just wanted to show you some of the different examples. Now we're inside of the TD Ameritrade platform, where I'll show you that it's also pre-made up just like Webull. So we'll put in the security, HYG. And instead of single, this is the type of spread that you'll be doing. Instead of single, what you're gonna choose is, let's go down. Let's find it. There it is, butterfly. Now once you choose butterfly, you need to choose the strike prices that you're gonna go with. Because by doing this, you're saying, okay, I believe this security is gonna stay between this range. And if it stays between a certain range, then you look to profit at the end of the week or end of the month, whatever type of contract that you decide to go with. Just looking for a particular contract that I want to go with. Now, one thing you need to remember, in TD Ameritrade, they actually choose more than one contract automatically, unless you change your settings. I have not ever changed my settings in this TD Ameritrade platform. So you see already it starts out with 10 contracts. Cost of trade. Just looking over some things. And as you can see on the graph, it's simply showing you where the security prices need to stay in order for you to make money. I'm simply adjusting it. Going with the limit. Just adjusting the contracts. Seeing what type of difference it's going to make. So if we went down to 1 because of the distance of those strikes, cost of the trade, max profit would be only $7 because those strike prices are so close to one another. Now, if you wanted to change that and make more money, you simply increase the distance of those strike prices. And that's pretty much it. IRA, individual retirement account, Butterfly HYG, expiring on February the 26th. And that is pretty much it. Now, I've showed you all of this without going to some charlatan trying to take your money. These strategies were learned through simple books. What good information did we get today? We talked about what an iron butterfly was. I showed you a stock that trades sideways, HYG, and we did it inside of the Weeble and Robinhood platforms, and also I showed you an example inside of the TD Ameritrade platform. Already, that is the music. It is time to go. But you know what? You can click like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to speed with all the new videos. But another thing you can do, you can click the links down below to get you some of these good books in order to be a better, more effective trader. That's the only way that you're going to become a good trader. You can watch YouTube videos all day, but you'll never fully understand anything until you read the books. Okay, well, it has been fun. I have places to go, bills to pay, kids to feed, slow nickel, fast dime. I'll catch you on the next video. Don't forget to pick up some books and your free stocks. The links will be down below in the description. Take care. Slow nickel, fast dime. Until next time.